Let's do this. Let's do this. Sinamok.
No.
Where are we going tomorrow?
Airport.
Airport?
Plane.
The plane to see
Cousins.
cousins.
Not a cousin.
Lots of cousins. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Ayan, happy Thursday guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Charleston Shopping Center. Nagdi-dinner kami. It's currently ngayon mga 6 o'clock ng gabi. And as you can see, our baby girl is eating dinner now. What are you having, princess?
Chicken.
Yay! So ito yung in-order namin guys. Minute chicken, spicy flavor, tapos yung original na flavor. So nandito pala kami with Tito Ron, that's right. So nandito kami ngayon guys kasi di ba bukas Friday we are going to Brisbane and we'll be away for the whole week next week. So nag-decide kami na mag-bonding kami tonight kasi hindi kami magkikita for a week. Kaya yun. No? Daddy Mike is in the city pala guys. Pumunta siya ng gym and nagpa haircut. Kaya kami lang yung nandito. Tito Ron is there ordering some rice and drinks. Yes, for you as well. Ayan. At hindi ko nadala yung camera ko guys. So pasensya na if yung quality hindi masyadong maganda. Gamit ko yung phone ko ngayon. No? Kasi hindi namin talaga pinlano to today. Nag-work kami ni Ron sa office together and then sabi ko pupunta kami dito. So pinick up lang namin si Baby Para sa school and then we came here straight away. Kaya yan, wala sa plano, nakda? Okay guys, pakainin ko muna to habang ganang-gana pa yung pagkain niya. Minsan lang to. There he is. Ayan. What did you get? Say hi, T.
It doesn't work. What's that?
What's that, Nap? Who's that? The Ron. Wow. You eat this first. Two cooks. The rice. Yeah, it's hot yet, Nap. That one. Okay? Try to have some Elsa food first, okay? Oh, fiesta.
Wait, I will have it ready.
Go ahead, Jude. You want to cook?
Yes. Show Tito Ron how to eat the Elsa food. Come on. Tito Ron, so look at Paris. This is how you eat.
Is it Elsa food?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum. Bon appetit. Hi guys! Kakauwi lang namin dito sa bahay. Late na pala siya kasi yung mga shops nag-close sila ng 9 o'clock kapag Thursday tsaka Sunday. Come, sit down here, Daddy. So Daddy is here now and have a look his new haircut. What do you think of his new haircut?
Out of 10.
Rate 1 to 10. Kung, if you like his haircut.
Please press 10. I will send you cash.
Anyways, pupunta si Daddy Mike sa sa garage kasi pinatukuha ko na yung ating suitcases kasi 'di ba magpapak na tayo tonight. So bukas yung what's going on now? What is that? Do you know? What are you doing?
I want spin.
Ala yun na pagkuanin na. Sayangi. You might notice it's very noisy kasi ang ating tag to heater ay naka-on. Sobrang cold guys today. What is that, princess? And also, ayan, So, yung kay Paris na suitcase, guys, nung isang araw ko pa to siya, ni-ready. Ayan. So, ito yung suitcase niya. Ilalagay ko lang yung pangtulog niya dito. So, ito yung daily, niya doon, clothes niya for the whole week. Ayan. And then, kaya yun si Daddy Mike pinakuha ko yung, ayan, sa labas. Pinakuha ko yung ating, anong tawag dito? Suitcases. Kasi bukas dapat 6:30 nakaalis na kami dito ng bahay kasi yung flight namin is 9:10 ng umaga. Magdadrive kami papunta doon. Hindi ko pa pala na-book yung aming parking. So magpa-park kami doon sa airport. Tapos bus na lang ng parking place yung sasakyan namin papuntang airport talaga. So I feel really strange, guys, kasi nga 'di ba, it's been a while na hindi kami nakapagbiyahe. And I don't know why I'm feeling anxious na parang sasakay ng aeroplano and anyways. Alam niyo, guys, kung siguro uuwi kami ng Pilipinas, like seriously, a month ago, nakapag-pack na ako. But, it's only Brisbane, so it's already like nearly 10 o'clock ngayon at hindi pa ako nakapag-pack ng damit namin ni Daddy Mike. Is Daddy Mike yung magpapack ng kanya, guys, kasi siya yung may alam kung ano yung dadalhin niya. So, napack ko na kay Baby Paris. Yung gagawin ko na lang is yung for me. So, yung mga damit ko na lang and also yung mga toiletries na gagamitin namin. So, it's not gonna take long. We're only gonna stay there for a week. So, hindi naman talaga kailangan na dalhin namin ang buong bahay. Kasi, like Paris is nappy wipes and all. We can always buy it from there, guys, para hindi kami nabigatan. Kasi yung binili ni Daddy Mike na luggage namin is only 25 kilos, 1 check-in luggage, and then kaming tatlo, we can have our 3, anong tawag dito, carry-on baggage, 7 kilos each. Ayan. So, ito yung dadalhin namin na, hala, grabe na kay kaabog. Daddy, can you dust it off, please? Have a look. Tingnan nyo, guys, kasi sobrang stuck na yan siya sa, garage. That's our anak.
Is it suitcase?
Suitcase, that's right.
What colors?
What color is our suitcases?
Purple.
Purple? This one, what's this one?
Red.
Red. How about yours?
Pink.
Pink. Good girl. Don't open that one now. Konti na lang yung ilalagay ko dyan, anak. Where is Paris? Where is Paris? I couldn't find Paris. Where is she? Yan nyo, guys. So, nag-video ko. Hala, very messy here, guys, ha? Kasi tignan nyo. Inaano pa namin. May kumakain. Mac! Mingay! Ni hapon. I wish, guys, sa Pilipinas yung uwi. Paris is gone! I couldn't find Paris! Do you know where Paris is? Do you know where Paris is? There you are! You're so silly.
Me?
You're so silly. Come here na. So, ito yung dadalhin namin na bag, guys. Ayan. So, i-mix namin yung laman dyan. Sinipo ko dyan para sa Paris. Ayan, yung carry-on ni Daddy Mike. Ito yung pang check-in namin kay Paris. And then, this carry-on for me. And then, my bag lang niya ganyan. God. Okay. Let's start. Let's do this. Let's do this. Ang sinamak.
No.
Where are we going tomorrow?
Airport.
Airport?
Plane.
The plane to see
Cousins.
cousins.
Lots of cousins.
Lots of cousins.
A few moments later.
Ayan, guys. It's already late and tignan nyo. Gising na gising pa. Ayan. Hindi pa natutulog hanggang nandito pa kaming dalawa ng tatay niya sa labas. Ayan. So, natapos ko na yung sa kanya. And then, ayan. ready na yung susuotin ni Daddy bukas. Ayan, pahati-hati din kami. Dadalhin niya ni Daddy Mike. Ayan yung susuotin ni Paris bukas. Yung sa akin guys, hindi ko pa nalagay dito. Wala pa akong laman sa akin na wala pa. Pagod sa catch guys. Seriously. Wala pa talagang nakalagay na sa akin. Pero yan na yung gagawin ko last. Anak, are you excited for tomorrow na?
Yes.
Wash na tayo in bathroom.
No.
Hala.
I want
People, mataga ka.
to go. No. I don't like go wash